Already you learned the unit 1 I want to fly and also the exercise which are given in the textbook. Now we are going to the chapter 2, the 3 butterflies. Okay. You would have heard the proverb, a friend in need is a friend indeed. What it means, children? Yes. A good friend is that person with whom one can share their secret experiences and feelings. Which means, friend who helps you in your difficulty is your true friend. Okay, in this lesson, let's see 3 friends who are butterflies. One is pink in color, one is red in color, and one is yellow in color. We will see what happens to them. Okay? Let us take it as a garden. In a garden, there were 3 butterflies. Already I told you the names, pink, red and yellow. Okay? All the 3 are good friends. They were playing in the garden, sometimes on the flower, sometimes here, they without getting tired. All the 3 butterflies were playing happily in the sunshine. As usual, one day they were playing in the garden. That time started raining. All the butterflies got wet. Okay, up to here I will read the text. Listen. There were once 3 butterflies, a pink one, a red one and a yellow one. They played in the sunshine and danced now on this flower, now on that, and never grew tired. One day it started raining and they got wet. I think you understood up to here. One day in a garden, the 3 butterflies, pink one, red one and yellow, all are playing in the ground. They danced one time in one flower and next time in the other flower, means they never get tired. But what happens? One day it started raining. All the 3 butterflies got wet. Okay? So, they flew over to a rose and said, "Good rose, please open your petals wide so that we may take shelter from the rain." Okay. When rain started, all the 3 butterflies flew over to a rose and said, "Rose, please open your petals wide so that we may take shelter from the rain." Shelter means what? Shelter means a place where you can take rest, or to provide a place where someone is safe. For shelter, they went to the rose. They want the rose to open its petals. Understood? They want to open its petals so that they can stay inside the petals. Petals means what, children? Yes, petals means part of the flower. Dalagalu. Alva? Okay. Up to here, did you understood? Okay, children. See. So, They flew over to a rose and said, "Open your petals wide so that we may take shelter from the rain." All the three said to the rose. But what the rose said, we will see. "I would be glad to shelter you, pink butterfly," said the rose, "for you look like me. But I won't shelter your two friends." The rose said to the butterflies that, "I would be glad to shelter you, pink butterfly." The rose is ready to give shelter for the pink butterfly, but not to the others. Not others means for red and yellow. Why? Why it said like that? Because the pink butterfly looks like rose. The rose petals color is like a pink butterfly. That's why it is ready to give shelter only for the pink butterfly, but not for the two others too. "But I won't shelter your two friends." When it said like this, what happens next? Imagine. The other two, including pink butterfly, they said, "If you won't shelter my friends," the pink butterfly said to the rose that, "If you won't shelter my friends, you need not shelter me. I will stay wet rather than desert them," replied the pink butterfly. The pink butterfly said, "If you won't shelter my friends, you need not shelter me. Okay? I won't allow your friends. Instead of taking shelter, alone I will stay wet itself." Desert means what? To leave someone without helping. To leave someone without helping is the meaning of desert. Okay? So then what happens? Then they flew across to a sunflower and said, "Dear sunflower, open your petals wide so that we may take shelter from the rain." Then when the rose is not ready to give shelter for the other two butterflies, means red and yellow, so all the three flew across to a sunflower and they said, "Dear sunflower, open your petals." Already I told you the meaning of petals. Petals means part of the flower. So open your petals wide so that we may take shelter from the rain. Then the sunflower said, "I would be glad to shelter you, yellow butterfly," replied the sunflower, but not the other two. So that time the sunflower said to the yellow butterfly that, "I would be glad to shelter you," means I am very happy to shelter you, yellow butterfly, but I will not give shelter to other two butterflies, means pink butterfly and red butterfly. Okay, only for yellow butterfly it is ready to give the shelter. So the yellow butterfly, what it replied, we will see. "If you won't shelter my friends, you need not shelter me," said the yellow butterfly. "I will stay wet rather than desert them." And so they flew away together. Yellow butterfly said to the sunflower that, "If you are not ready to shelter my friends, you need not shelter me. Okay? I will stay wet. I will stay wet rather than desert them." I told you the meaning of desert. What it means? To leave someone without helping or leaving others helpless. Okay? So now the sun, who was hiding behind a cloud, had heard everything. He was happy to see the butterflies so united. He quickly chased the clouds and the rain away. So children, When the rose and sunflower both are not ready to give the shelter for all the three friends, means pink butterfly, red and yellow one, then they went without taking their help. So all these incidents were watched by the sun, who was hiding behind a cloud. So the sun was observing everything what had happened, everything. It heard and it observed. After seeing that, he was happy to see all the butterflies so united. Isn't it? All are very good friends. So those three friends are so united. He quickly chased away the clouds and the rain. Next, he beamed down on the garden and dried the butterflies' wings. Now they could fly from flower to flower and dance as usual for the rest of the day. I think you understood this. He beamed down on the garden. That means the sun rays are beamed down so that warmth the butterflies' wings were dried. So once are dry means they can fly from flower to flower. Once their wings dried means they can fly now. So the butterflies, all the three butterflies, they fly from flower to flower. As usual, they can dance, they play in the garden. Understood, children? The sun helped like this because the three butterflies were so united. They were enough to be good friends to one another. They were so good. Because of that, the sun helped like this. So here some new words are given. I will read this. Try to understand. Petals. The colorful parts of a flower that are sometimes shaped like leaves. Shelter. To provide a place where someone is safe. Rather, prefer or wish to. Desert. To leave someone without helping. Children, after watching the video, read the lesson and try to understand. Okay? In next class, we will take exercises of this chapter. Until then, thank you.